welcome back to my channel. It's Pamlashawn. If this is your first time visiting, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you like the content enough where you will subscribe and also hit the bell button so that you don't miss an upload from me. And for all the ones that are a part of the family right now, thank you so much for tuning back in. You guys know that I appreciate you, my loyal people and my subscribers, everybody. Thank you so much. So today I am back with a quick video. I'm not going to make this one long at all because I don't think that it's going to take much, but I'm getting ready to organize this closet. This linen closet has been it's been a hot mess. And so I'm trying to get my life, y'all. I'm trying to get everything organized and get it in order. I'm going to organize this closet today. I went by at home. I'm going to show you all what I picked up. I just picked up some of these baskets. I like these. They have the little, kind of look like rose gold, but I don't know. I thought these were really, really cute. I had some fabric ones, but then I thought about it. I'm like, this is going in a closet where boys will be going in there getting things and stuff. So I don't want to put any linen type baskets in there. I would just rather use these. So I picked up a lot of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think about 8. I'm not even sure if I'm going to use all of them, but if I don't, I'll use them downstairs in the linen closet when I get ready to make that one over and organize it. But I'm going to use these. I did go and pick up some towels. I'm going to insert a clip right now because I went ahead and recorded like what I had so that I can put them in a washer really quick and wash them. So I'm going to insert that clip now. So I want to show you guys what I picked up from Homegoods. I just got some more towels. I have them in light gray because my husband has an issue with white towels. He does not like them. So I got white towels for our face. And then these are the bathing towels and the dry-off towels. I also picked up some throws because we have some, y'all, I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. I was running. But we have some big orange covers that I know you guys probably saw in the video where I was changing out the hardware for that closet. But I got some more throws to go in there so that it can look nicer and blend in with the baskets. So I just want to show you all this. I'm going to throw it in a washer and then we're going to record the video in the morning and you guys will get to see it. So all those towels and all those towels I picked up from Homegoods. I got these from at home and then I picked up the towels from Homegoods. I also picked up some throws just to have up here because we had some really bright orange covers that were in here and they were driving me crazy. They didn't match anything and they were just ugly. I wouldn't feel comfortable pulling those out if I had a guest that was cold and needed a blanket or something like that. The blankets, the throws that I have now, I feel comfortable with pulling those out if I had to. And even when I'm cold, you know, who don't want to chill in style? I want to chill in style. Y'all, if y'all are looking at any of this midsection here, I have not worked out in a week. I have pigged out today. I had 3 plates of, and today's Mother's Day. I had 3 plates today, and I had macaroni and cheese. I had oxtails and gravy. I had rice and gravy. I had green beans, and I had sweet potatoes that my husband made for me. And then I had some deviled eggs at my mother-in-law's house. And I had 3 plates of that food. And then my husband took me to Tiff Treats, and we got some cookies. I actually ordered 4 cookies, a snickerdoodle, and 3 chocolate chips. But when I got home, my husband was like, I guess he saw how I just kind of killed my cookies, so he knew it was good to me, and he gave me his, so I had 5 cookies. But I am going back to the gym tomorrow, and I will be recording and uploading more videos. So if you guys are not following me, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Pamlashawn. And then the workout page is Pam_fitness diary. That's it. I almost forgot the name of it. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started with this. I'm going to show you all, I'm going to step out the way and show you all what's going on up in here. So I'm going to stand behind the camera. Give me 1 second. So down here we have an air mattress. I did not get a basket for that, so I do have to get one for that. I have some extra pillows up here that were on my bed. I decided to keep those because I think they'll look nice when Christmas come around or something like that. And just some extra sheets up here for the kids' beds, some games. What is going on here? So some extra sheets, some games. I don't even know what this is. I need to find out what that is. We have some paper towels, some toilet paper, These are the curtains that will be going in the kids' bathrooms. I just have not hung them up yet because I wanted to do the bathroom over it. When I make over the bathroom, then I'll hang those up because they're really nice. So I just put the plain ones in there for now. It's some books back here. I don't know what they're for. It's some decorations that were in their bathrooms before. And since we're no longer going with that color, I'm going to just go ahead and throw these things away. And then looks like a sling from when my son broke his collarbone. An umbrella that belongs to Jeremy shouldn't be in here, but this is how it looks. Just hideous. Just hideous. So we're about to give it a little facelift, not much, just a little bit, because I mean nobody really sees it, but I still want it to look nice and neat. So I'm going to put you guys back on a tripod and we're going to go ahead and get started. So before we go any further, like with getting everything organized, I do want to go ahead and wipe everything down with these Clorox disinfectant wipes, just to kind of let it smell good and, you know, getting any dust out or anything that may be in there before I put in the new linen and things like that. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I also have a microfiber towel right here. Hello. Okay, so we also have a microfiber towel so that we can go in and dry everything off. I know I look crazy with this do-rag on. I have a leave-in conditioner in my hair, so y'all excuse the hair today. But anyways, I went ahead and wiped everything down, and I dried it off so that it was not wet when I got ready to put the baskets back in. So what I'm going to do is place the things back in here where I want it before I put the baskets in. That way it's not a whole bunch of moving in and out. I can just take everything, put it in the basket, and put it back in. So I'm going to place everything where I want it to go, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I know it's kind of an awkward thing with the camera situation. I tried to move it in the front of it, but I would be blocking it if I did that. So I feel like this was a better way to do it, was to put it this way. But don't worry, because once I'm done, I'm gonna put the camera, I'm gonna get behind the camera and I'll show you how everything is placed before I put the baskets, and then I'll put the baskets, and again I'll show you the final look of everything. So no need to worry, I got you. Well, here are the throws that I picked up from HomeGoods. These are so soft. I mean, so soft. I kept this so I can show you all the name of it. So this is it. It was $14.99. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'll list it in the description box. But they are so soft, and so are the towels. The towels are by Hotel Collection, it said, and I got those from HomeGoods too. If I didn't say that, I think I did. But I'm going to put these in, and then I can show you guys how I have it placed. I don't know if I'm going to move some things around or not, but I'll show you all before I put the baskets in. This is how I have everything placed in here right now. And I think I'm okay with it. I put the curtains up there and the sheets over there. And then I have the throws here, the face towels, bathing towels, dry off towels, paper towels, toilet paper, soap, scope, hand soap, and some shampoo there. So I think I'm okay with the way that it's set up right now. So I'm going to go ahead and put the baskets in, and then I'll get back behind the camera and show you guys again. I do want to show you all that I did get 3 different sizes in the baskets. So here I have a small, and this one was $5.99. This one is the medium, as you can see the difference. And this one was $7.99. And then this is the larger basket. I don't even know if I'm going to need this or not, but I got it anyway. And you can tell the difference with these. So I'm going to play with them and see which one I want to put where, if I'm going to use all of them or not. And we'll see what happens. So it is all done. Look at that. This looks so good, you guys. It looks well organized and put together. Like, if I was a visitor in someone's home, I would much rather see this before, you know, staying the night versus seeing how it looks before. I even added a little greenery. I went and got this out of my laundry room just to kind of give it a home feeling. And it looks so good, nice and clean. Everything looks crisp. I mean, I'm really enjoying this. This looks so freaking good. So nice and clean. So nice and clean. Everything looks so crisp. Alright, you guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed doing this makeover. It looks so good. I'm really, really pleased with the way that everything turned out. And I need to add everything up and see how much it costs. But let me just try to go over the prices a little bit. So I went over the prices for the baskets. The towels were $5.99 a piece. No, I take that back. It was a pack. It was a pack for $7.99, and you got 4 towels in each set. That was for the white and the gray. These towels right here were $7.99 a piece, and they are really, really, really soft. Really, really, really soft. I don't know if you guys can see me. I'm doing this, but and these covers were $14.99. I did explain that. The small baskets were $5.99. The medium baskets were $7.99, and the larger baskets was $8.99. And I got three medium baskets. I got 2 large baskets and 2 small baskets, and I did use all of them. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I thought I had 8, but it was 7. So those were the prices of everything. I'm going to show you all one more other thing. Hold on, because I did not go over the baskets down here, so I want to go ahead and do that now. I have mouthwash here, some toothpaste, some extra toothbrushes, more soap. I have hand soap here. This is body soap. I have hand soap here. Then I have shampoo and conditioner for my kids. The paper towels are here. Toilet paper there. Oh, I still have a price tag on that one, so I have to take that off. Toilet paper, bathing towels, dry off towels, face towels up here, and then the throws. So that's everything. I'm really pleased with this. This looks so much better. So much better. So the only thing that I have to do now, I told you guys it was an air mattress down there. I have to find a basket or something to put that in because I don't want it to show and look really, really tacky. So I'm going to take care of that tomorrow. But other than that, guys, this is it. Thank you so much. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the bell button if you haven't already so that you don't miss an upload from me. And happy Mother's Day to everyone that is a mother and desire to be a mother. I hope and pray to God answer your prayers if you are praying for a family. It's nothing other than a beautiful thing. So that's it, you guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.